Hey, Dr. Morgan. My name is Zach. I own 6x6 Media out of Paris, Texas. We reach out to different chiropractic clinics around Texas and try to help them increase their online presence and bring in some more clients through their front door. I want to show you 3 simple steps that you can take today to really optimize your online presence and get more people visiting your site and ultimately coming in through your front door. The first thing I want to talk about is going to be content. So Google considers anything on your home page that can be highlighted as content. They want to see at least 1,500 words worth of content that is dense in keywords that pertain to your industry for your location. I have this free tool called SEO Quake. You can actually download it and use it yourself. So it looks like you're running 787 words right now on your home page. So you're about halfway there as far as being at that 1,500 mark. Now I did a quick search for Chiropractor Abilene, Texas. So we have the Google Map Pack here. Y'all are ranking inside of it. However, down here in the organic, West Texas Back Clinic is number 1, and y'all are number 9. So y'all are kind of far down on that list, and Google's actually done studies to show most people don't scroll past the first 3 selections on the organic search list whenever they're searching for a specific service. So this is an opportunity for y'all to move up that list and get a little bit more visitation to your site. That being said, I want to take a look at West Texas Back Clinic's website. So you can see they got quite a bit of content on here. There's going to be even more content inside of this video right here, just like there was on your page. This is actually showing them at a little over 1,000 words. So they're running the game at only 1,000 words. We're going to take a look at their keywords here in a second, but this tells me right here that there's a lot of opportunity to jump in front of them in the content race. We're going to go over here to Ahrefs, another tool that I have. Take a look at the keywords and kind of some traffic that's coming through your website. So Ahrefs, what it does, you type in the domain and it'll go in and do a complete analysis of the domain, how much traffic it's getting, the keywords, backlinks, all kinds of stuff. Right now, your website is pulling about 25 people a month, and by having that number 1 spot, West Texas Back Clinic's pulling in 285. So this tells me that there's a lot of opportunity for you to get a hold of more clients in y'all's area, and that there's a lot left on the table for you to take charge of. Going back to keywords. So whenever you start talking about keywords, you want to be ranking for generic keywords, because people who don't know who they're going to use as a chiropractor are going to type in something similar to what I did on Google, such as Chiropractor Abilene, Texas Chiropractor. There's a bunch of different variations that they could type in that's going to generate more traffic. So right here you can see y'all put a focus on those generic keywords. You're just not ranking high enough. This is the position that you're in right now. So your highest one is you're in 4th place for Abilene Chiropractic, and that's not even one of the highest volume words to rank for. Chiropractor Abilene, Texas, like I typed in, that's the highest volume. That being said, we're going to go over to West Texas Back Clinic and look at their keywords. And as far as generic keywords go, you can see right here, right off the bat, they're position number 1 for Chiropractor Abilene, Texas. So all you'd have to do is beat them out of a few of these positions for those generic keywords, and you'd be driving more traffic to your website in no time. Second thing I want to talk about are going to be citations. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number put into a bunch of different indexes throughout the web, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, and a bunch of different private blogs and whatnot that pertain to your industry. You don't want to go out and get a citation at a blog for making pizza or something that just doesn't have anything to do with chiropractic. So right here, y'all are actually, like I said earlier, you're in the Google Map Pack, so that's a good thing. Once again, West Texas Back Clinic's just above you, followed by Abilene Chiropractic. So I went ahead and did a search on citations. So you can see West Texas Back Clinic has about 25 more citations than y'all do. But even that being said, I mean, it seems like y'all have, for the citations that you do have, it seems to be a pretty strong profile. And actually, whenever we go to bump up citations, you want to be in the 200 to 300 mark to just kind of push everybody out of the game. Kind of blow them out of the water so you don't have to worry about it anymore. And I could actually go through here and I could use the citations that West Texas Back Clinic has and then go out and find even more new citations for you. That way you're getting to that 200 to 300 mark and nobody's even competing with you in your area. Third thing I wanted to talk about are backlinks. A backlink is essentially where you have one website with a link pointing to, say, your website. And by doing that, your website's gaining more authority in Google's eyes. And the stronger, higher quality backlinks that you have for your website, the more authority Google's going to give you. And you're going to be winning kind of what you would consider a popularity contest. Looking at a quick overview here as far as backlinks go. So you got 90 backlinks with 28 referring domains. And West Texas Back Clinic is at, if it'll pull up here, 22 backlinks with 14 referring domains. So really, you focus on the content, that's where they're getting the majority of their power from. And then you go out and get a few more high quality backlinks, you should be ranking number 1 in no time for those generic keywords. That being said, I just kind of want to cap the 3 things that we talked about today. Number 1 was content, 1,500 words. You want that content to be dense in keywords that pertain to your industry and your location. Number 2 were citations, which are your name, address, and phone number, and a bunch of different indexes throughout the web that relate to your industry. You want to have 200 to 300 of those to just beat everybody out and not have anybody really competing with you. Number 3 was backlinks. You want to just up that backlink number and have a really strong profile of backlinks so you can win that popularity contest and gain more authority. With that being said, if you like what you heard today, just feel free to reach out to me at 903-715-7876. I'd really like to sit down and talk to you more about kind of what your goals are and where y'all's company is wanting to head as maybe an opportunity for a little bit of expansion. I would just like to sit down and talk to you about it. But that being said, once again, my name is Zach. Phone number 903-715-7876. Have a good day, Dr. Morgan. Thanks. Bye.